Welcome to North Point Dumpsters, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, we're here to help make waste management easy and hassle-free. Our comprehensive selection of dumpster sizes guarantees an optimal solution for any project, regardless of scale. From residential cleanups to large-scale construction debris, our dumpsters are designed to meet your specific needs. At North Point Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on our commitment to service. Our professional team is dedicated to providing efficient solutions and support throughout your rental period. Our drivers are skilled and careful, ensuring that each delivery and pickup is conducted with respect for your property and schedule. We are not just a dumpster rental service but your partners in maintaining a clean and sustainable environment. We ensure your waste is disposed of responsibly, prioritizing recycling and proper waste management techniques. Ready to clean up with ease? Contact North Point Dumpsters today at 470-983-1028 or visit our website at www.northpointdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental, Sugar Hill, GA, to start your hassle-free dumpster rental experience. North Point Dumpsters, your trusted partner in Sugar Hill, Georgia, in making your projects cleaner and your life easier.